Welcome to the channel. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you join me today. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transform your perspective on food and celebrations. We're not just cooking, we're creating experiences, memories, and moments of pure joy. So buckle up because we're about to dive headfirst into a world of flavor, fun, and fantastic food. I'm Chef Stefani, your guide, your culinary companion, and your partner in crime in this delicious endeavor. I've spent years honing my craft, experimenting with flavors and perfecting recipes that are guaranteed to impress. And today, we're setting our sights on the grandest of all summer celebrations, your 4th of July. That's right, your 4th of July is about to get a serious upgrade. We're talking a complete culinary makeover, a flavor explosion that will leave your guests speechless, and a celebration that will be talked about for years to come. Forget those sad, soggy hot dogs and those hockey puck-like burnt burgers, the ones that everyone politely nibbles on but secretly dreads. We're banishing those barbecue blunders forever, because today we're not just grilling, we're making food that's an experience, a journey, a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. We're talking about food that's so good it's a fireworks show for your taste buds. Each bite will be an explosion of flavor, a burst of deliciousness that will light up your palate and leave you wanting more. And to make sure you're fully equipped for this culinary revolution, I'm arming you with recipes that are not only delicious but also surprisingly easy to make. Recipes that'll transform your backyard into the hottest spot in town, the place where everyone wants to be, the envy of the entire neighborhood. Get ready for compliments, accolades, and maybe even a few envious glances from across the fence. Because we're not just throwing a barbecue, we're building the ultimate 4th of July feast, a culinary masterpiece that will impress even the most discerning palates. Think perfectly grilled burgers, juicy and flavorful, cooked to perfection and piled high with your favorite toppings. And not just any hot dogs, but a hot dog bar, a customizable culinary experience where everyone can create their own perfect dog with a dazzling array of toppings and condiments. Plus sides that are anything but an afterthought. We're talking about flavorful, creative, and downright delicious accompaniments that will complement your main dishes perfectly. And of course, desserts that scream red, white, and blue, sweet treats that are as festive as they are delicious. The perfect ending to your unforgettable 4th of July feast. So what are you waiting for? Get your aprons on, it's time to get serious, and make sure your grills are hot. We've got some serious cooking to do. Together, let's make this Independence Day not just a holiday, but an unforgettable experience, a celebration of food, family, and freedom that you'll cherish for years to come. All right, enough talk. Let's get cooking, friends. The burger. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience. It's the centerpiece, the star attraction, the undisputed champion of any great barbecue. The aroma of sizzling beef, the anticipation of that first juicy bite, it all revolves around the burger. It's the heart of any barbecue. This is where legends are made or broken. Don't mess it up. Every step counts, from the selection of the meat to the final artful placement of the toppings. This isn't just about slapping a patty on a grill, it's about crafting a culinary masterpiece. The foundation of any great burger? Quality ingredients. Start with fresh ground chuck. Don't skimp on this. The better the beef, the better the burger. Look for a vibrant color and a fresh, clean scent. Aim for that perfect balance of flavor and texture. 80/20ths lean to fat. That fat is flavor, and it's what keeps your burger juicy and delicious. Too lean, and you'll end up with a dry, crumbly disappointment. Simplicity is key. Let the beef speak for itself. Season simply with salt and pepper. A generous pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper is all you need to enhance the natural flavors. Resist the urge to add too many spices. You want the beef to be the star. Handle with care. Gently form loose patties. Don't overwork the meat or you'll end up with a tough burger. A light touch is essential. Think of it as sculpting, not squeezing. Prevent the dreaded burger bulge. Thumb dimple the center. This little trick helps the patty cook evenly and prevents it from puffing up in the middle like a football. High heat is your friend, and get your grill blazing hot. You want a screaming hot surface to create that beautiful sear and lock in the juices. Make sure your grill grates are clean and well oiled to prevent sticking. Patience is a virtue. Sear for a few minutes per side. Resist the urge to flip too early. Let the patty develop a nice crust before you even think about touching it. This is crucial. Don't press down. You'll squeeze out all those precious juices and end up with a dry, sad burger. Let the heat do its work. The final flourish. Add cheese in the last minute. Let it melt and get all gooey and delicious. Cheddar, American, Swiss. The choice is yours. Don't neglect the bun. Toast your buns with a little butter for texture and flavor. A golden brown, slightly crispy bun adds a whole new dimension to the burger experience. The moment of truth. Assemble. This is where your creativity can shine. Start with a solid base. Toasted bun. The star of the show, juicy patty, the melty goodness, cheese, a touch of freshness, lettuce, a burst of flavor, tomato, a little bit of bite, onion, the finishing touch, and a touch of sauce. Balance is key. Let every ingredient shine. Each component should complement the others, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Moderation is key. Don't drown it. A little sauce goes a long way. You want to enhance the flavors, not mask them. This is more than just sustenance. This isn't just a burger. It's a reflection of your passion, your skill, your dedication to the art of grilling. It's a statement. From start to finish, give it your all. Respect the process. The reward is worth the effort. Serve it up and watch your guests go wild. Their smiles, their compliments, their sheer enjoyment. That's what it's all about. So fire up those grills, gather your friends and family, and get ready to create some unforgettable memories. Now get grilling. Hot dogs are an American staple, a symbol of summer and a backyard barbecue essential. But let's face it, sometimes they can be a little predictable. Well, get ready, because hot dogs are getting a revolution. We're not talking about minor tweaks. We're talking about a complete transformation of the humble hot dog into a culinary adventure. Gone are the days of sad, pale, boiled sausages. No more boiled, bland sausages. We're leaving those watery, flavorless franks behind and stepping into a world of bold flavors and exciting textures. Forget everything you thought you knew about hot dogs. The foundation of any great hot dog revolution starts with the dog itself. Ditch the mystery meat and embrace quality. Grill quality all beef franks. Look for sausages with natural casings for that satisfying snap. Grilling is key to unlocking the full potential of your franks. Get those beautiful char marks for that perfect snap. That little bit of smoky flavor makes all the difference. Now, for the fun part. It's time to unleash your inner chef and create a hot dog topping bar that will blow your guests away. Lay out a spread, a dazzling array of flavors and textures that will transform your hot dogs from simple snacks into gourmet creations. Start with the classics, but don't be afraid to elevate them. Dijon mustard with its tangy, sophisticated bite is a must-have. And of course, real ketchup. None of that watery, artificial stuff. We're talking about rich, tomatoey goodness, sweet relish for that classic sweet and tangy crunch. But let's get a little more adventurous, shall we? Caramelized onions, slow-cooked to sweet, golden perfection, add a touch of elegance. Crispy fried onions for an irresistible salty crunch. Fresh and pickled jalapenos for those who like a little heat. Homemade chili, rich, hearty, and packed with flavor. Pico de gallo for a burst of fresh, vibrant flavor. Tangy slaw to cut through the richness and add a cool, creamy element. Silky cheese sauce, warm, gooey, and utterly irresistible. And crumbled bacon, because everything is better with bacon. Let your guests build their own masterpieces, encourage them to experiment and create their perfect hot dog. The possibilities are endless, creamy, crunchy, spicy, fresh, and cheesy. A symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. It's interactive, fun, and absolutely delicious. A guaranteed crowd pleaser for any occasion. This is how you do hot dogs right. This is how you elevate a simple meal into a memorable experience. Set up a colorful, creative bar, arrange your toppings in an appealing way, and watch your guests' eyes light up. And let everyone dig in. Get ready for a hot dog experience like no other. The hot dog bar is now the star of your party. It's the centerpiece of your celebration, the talk of the town. Elevate the classics and watch your guests come back for seconds. They won't be able to resist creating another delicious masterpiece. This is how you win the 4th of July. This is how you create a celebration that everyone will remember. Enjoy the revolution. Embrace the creativity, the flavor, and the fun. Time for a fresh, vibrant red, white, and blue fruit salad. Use juicy strawberries, plump blueberries, and mini marshmallows for color and texture. Toss with a simple dressing fresh lime juice and a drizzle of honey. Gently combine everything, don't mash the fruit. The result? A stunning, refreshing salad that balances the richness of your grill. It's playful, crowd-pleasing, and patriotic. Serve chilled for the perfect summer bite. This is clever, simple cooking. Chicken skewers don't have to be dry or boring. Use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Juicier and more flavorful than breast. Marinate in BBQ sauce, olive oil, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, garlic, and smoked paprika. Let it soak for at least 2 hours. Overnight is best. Skewer with bell peppers and onions for color. Grill over medium-high heat. turning until caramelized and cooked through. Baste with extra BBQ sauce at the end for a sticky glaze. Serve hot. These skewers will disappear fast. Succulent, smoky, and crowd-pleasing. Corn on the cob, but make it explosive. Grill fresh corn in the husk after soaking. This steams it perfectly. Mix softened butter with garlic, lime zest and juice, chili powder, cayenne, cotija cheese, and cilantro. Once grilled, peel back the husks and slather with firecracker butter. Sprinkle with more cotija and cilantro. The result? Sweet, smoky, spicy, tangy, and salty all at once. Every bite is a flavor adventure. This isn't just a side, it's a showstopper. Serve hot and watch it vanish. Dessert should be a showstopper, not an afterthought. Make patriotic layered Jell-O cups. Blue Jell-O, creamy white layer, gelatin and sweetened condensed milk, and red Jell-O. Let each layer set completely before adding the next. Patience is key. Top with whipped cream and fresh berries for a festive finish. The result? Perfect red, white, and blue layers that look as good as they taste. It's fun, festive, and guaranteed to impress. Kids and adults will love them. Simple ingredients, stunning presentation. End your meal on a high note. Celebrate with style. Ditch the powdered lemonade. Make it fresh. Start with a simple syrup. Equal parts water and sugar dissolved and cooled. Squeeze fresh lemons for bright, real flavor. Mix syrup, lemon juice, and cold water in a pitcher. Taste and adjust for perfect balance. Clap fresh mint leaves and add for a cooling twist. Serve over ice with lemon slices and mint sprigs. It's crisp, refreshing, and miles better than store-bought. For adults, add a splash of vodka or gin for a summer cocktail. Make a big batch, it'll disappear fast. Real lemonade, real flavor. There you have it. A foolproof 4th of July menu to blow everyone away. No more excuses for a mediocre barbecue. Get grilling and make memories. Show off your creations, share your traditions, and join the conversation below. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more epic recipes. Have a spectacular, delicious Independence Day. Enjoy the fireworks on your plate. Now get to the store, you've got work to do. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.